Underneath the cover is our next supercar that is now live on our website, so let's reveal it. So this is the Mclaren 600LT. It's in the Vega Blue paintwork and it is full of carbon, both exterior and interior. What makes this one special is that on the inside it has the Senna LT super lightweight CF bucket seats. Running a 3.8 litre V8 twin turbo engine, this car is producing a huge 592 brake horsepower with a 0 to 60 in just 2.8 seconds. Now the ticket price on this is just 70p and it also comes with £5,000 cash, or if you do not want to take the car, you can take the huge £110,000 cash alternative. Live draws this Sunday, grab some tickets while you still can, and be sure to check out our next video this week on Wednesday, where we're going to take this out for some content, show you guys a bit more of the performance to the Mclaren 600LT.